Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am such an Apple fan, and especially with jailbreaking, that is so. Here I am. I'm going to show you a quick video how to jailbreak your phone with iOS 12 all the way up to iOS 12.1.2. I haven't done it yet, and I'm going to be doing it live on the camera right now. And all right, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we need to go ahead and check if you don't have any OTP updates on your phone. So in order to check that, you always have to go to General, scroll down to iPhone storage, and let that thing load up there. So I actually thought I didn't have any, but then if you scroll down, you should be able to see your update somewhere mentioned here. Just tap on it, click on delete update, and then the next thing you need to do is make sure you get the tvOS. Let's see if we can show you that. There you go, tvOS 12 beta software profile. That is going to avoid your phone wanting to update. It's just going to say your phone is up to date, though I am way below at 2.1. Alright, next thing we need to do, we need to download Ignition. So the URL I'll be mentioning in the description. You can go ahead and get the URLs from there. Just scroll down and click on install now. There you go, you get a little pop-up here, click on install. Once you're done installing, you should have the app Ignition app over here, but before you open it up, always go down to settings and general, go to profiles, and make sure you trust it. So only when you trust it, it's going to work. So hit on trust. Once you're done with that, alright, so this is how it's going to look. So you have to tap on this icon at the bottom here, and we're going to go to jailbreaks. Okay, load up. Alright, of course, we have an ad. Okay, so just to note here, you do have two Unc0vers. You have the Unc0ver new beta, and you also have the Unc0ver MP. Always ensure you go for the new beta, not the MP. The new beta is the one that covers all the way to iOS 12.1. Just ensure you have that in the description before you proceed, because you don't want to break your phone or something go wrong. So let's go ahead and get this. Click on get. Right, install. It should be done now. Let's go back, and there you go. Unc0ver is there. I'm gonna tap and open it up. Okay, well, this is how it's supposed to look, and you have a jailbreak button. Fingers crossed. Let's go ahead and get it done. Okay, it's gonna have a little pop-up saying that notice started. Let's click on OK. Alright, it's finally up and running. Let's go ahead and swipe to unlock. Okay, so let's go back to Unc0ver Jailbreak now. And we might have to hit the jailbreak button again. Okay, well, looks like it's done. Let's click on OK. Another restart. So it's done restarting with the second time. Let's go and try and open it up again. And I guess we might have to hit it one more time. Fingers crossed it's going to come back with the jailbroken state. So I kind of finally restarted one more time. So I had to get my Cydia logo in the iPhone, but it would not start. So I have to go into the jailbreak all over again. This is my first time jailbreaking this thing, so you're seeing a live preview of what's happening. Waiting. Let's see what happens. To Unc0ver. Jailbreak again. Okay, I did see the flash of it saying jailbroken right there, and then I think it's respringing now. Let's hope it gets back. Yes. Okay, looks like it should be jailbroken now. Let's check it out. Before I tap that, let me go for Cydia. Yes, there you go. Cydia is now open and functioning. Awesome. There you go, guys. Cydia is now functioning. My iPhone is now officially jailbroken. Woo! So if you open Unc0ver again, it should say re-jailbreak because obviously it's already jailbroken. Let's close this aside. Let's open up Cydia. Wow. Guys, that is how you jailbreak your iPhone with iOS 12 all the way to 12.1.2. Alright, well, like and subscribe, and do drop me a comment if you'd like to go ahead, because I'm going to be exploring loads of tweaks through all the YouTube videos and all this documentation. I'm going to go ahead and find the best 10 that I can use for my iPhones personally. And if you guys want to see that, just like and subscribe, and do drop me a comment, and I will look into making another video explaining all about the different tweaks. Well, thank you guys. Thumbs out.